In the natural world, primates are often seen as intelligent, familiar creatures, animals that seem strikingly human-like. Yet behind curious eyes, colorful fur, or a calm appearance lies a darker side that is rarely discussed. In some species, a single misplaced glance or an unintentional gesture can be interpreted as a challenge, and the price can be violence, even death. Now, let's take a closer look at some of the most representative examples. Number 9. White-headed langur. The white-headed langur is one of the rarest primates in Asia, instantly recognizable by its silvery white head contrasting sharply with its dark body, as if wearing a natural helmet. It inhabits steep limestone forests, harsh and fragmented environments that have shaped a tightly bonded, highly disciplined group lifestyle. Another remarkable trait is its adaptation to poor food resources. Its diet consists mainly of leaves, young shoots, and bark, hard-to-digest foods that require a specialized digestive system and long resting periods for fermentation. Life moves slowly, with limited travel but constant vigilance. When territory is invaded or the group is threatened, especially during the breeding season, responses can be extreme. Adult males will confront intruders directly, using sharp canines and powerful bites to defend the troop. For this reason, close contact or intrusion into their habitat should be avoided. Number 8. Bonobo. Bonobos are among the most intriguing primates on Earth. At first glance, they closely resemble chimpanzees, but with slimmer bodies, gentler faces, and calmer expressions. They live exclusively in the dense forests of the Congo Basin, where they have developed a rare social system in the animal kingdom, a matriarchy. Females form strong alliances and guide group order in subtle yet effective ways. Bonobos are famous not for violence, but for using social behavior to reduce tension. Instead of direct conflict, they often resolve disputes through friendly interactions, most notably sexual behavior, resulting in far fewer bloody confrontations than in other primates. Their high intelligence and emotional sensitivity make them among the closest to humans in social behavior. However, gentleness does not mean harmless. When provoked, bonobos can unite into a highly coordinated force, launching synchronized, strategic attacks and even using dense forest terrain for ambush. If you ever wander deep into bonobo territory, extreme caution is essential. Number 7. Gelada. Geladas are almost unique among primates. They live only on the Ethiopian highlands at elevations above 6,005 feet, approximately 2 meters, in cold, windy environments with sparse vegetation. Unlike most monkeys, geladas feed almost entirely on grass, spending much of the day grazing on steep cliffs and open plateaus. Adults bear a distinctive hourglass-shaped patch of bare red skin on the chest, used for communication and status display. Their most remarkable feature is an extraordinarily complex social structure. Geladas form super troops numbering in the hundreds, divided into stable family units. This system demands constant communication through facial expressions, gestures, and a wide range of soft, murmuring vocalizations, earning geladas a reputation for highly sophisticated communication. Despite their plant-based diet, geladas are far from passive. When threatened, they transform into fierce defenders, bearing razor-sharp canines up to 2 inches long, ready to injure any intruder bold enough to challenge their territory. Number 6. Macaques. Macaques are fast learners. They quickly adapt to their surroundings, opening bags, stealing food, memorizing human routines, and even exploiting traffic or daily schedules to forage efficiently. They observe, imitate, and pass on knowledge within the group, creating localized behavioral cultures. They live in strict dominance hierarchies where every individual knows its rank, from the alpha to the lowest member. This structure maintains order but fuels constant competition. Macaques communicate through rich facial expressions, sounds, and gestures, conveying warnings, threats, or reconciliation. At first glance, macaques appear playful and approachable, but at the slightest sign of danger, an entire troop can shift instantly into aggressive defense. Size becomes irrelevant. With sharp teeth and powerful bites, they charge at high speed, targeting the face and hands. Most terrifying is their group assault strategy, multiple individuals screaming, clawing, and lunging together, creating overwhelming chaos. The danger is compounded by the risk of herpes B virus, harmless to macaques but potentially fatal to humans. A single bite or scratch can turn a seemingly innocent encounter into a lasting nightmare. Number 5. Baboons. Baboons are among the most visually striking and behaviorally complex primates in Africa. Their long dog-like faces, exposed powerful jaws, and muscular builds, especially in males, make them instantly recognizable. Unlike many tree-dwelling monkeys, baboons spend most of their lives on the ground, moving in large troops across savannas, semi-deserts, and forest edges. What sets baboons apart is their tightly structured and highly complex social system. A single troop can include dozens, sometimes hundreds of individuals organized within a strict hierarchy. Males constantly compete for rank, while females maintain lifelong social bonds. This social order determines access to food, mates, and ultimately survival. Baboons are also known for their intelligence and opportunism. They eat almost anything: fruit, grass, insects, eggs, and even small animals, allowing them to survive in harsh environments where other primates fail. In urban areas, baboons can become bold, uninvited visitors, entering human spaces in search of food. They not only damage crops, but may also break into homes, showing clear aggression when cornered. Number 4. Mandrill. Mandrills possess one of the most colorful faces in the primate world, marked by vivid blue, red, and yellow ridges along the nose, paired with brightly colored rumps. The more intense the colors, the higher the individual's social status. Mandrills live primarily in the dense rainforests of Central and West Africa, where limited light makes vivid coloration an effective visual communication tool. Remarkably, mandrills can form enormous groups, sometimes numbering in the hundreds. Within these groups, a dominant male controls reproduction and plays a key defensive role. As omnivores, mandrills consume fruits, roots, insects, and small animals, enabling them to adapt to changing forest conditions. Behind their striking appearance lies formidable strength. Mandrills possess long canines and an extremely powerful bite, capable of inflicting severe injuries when provoked. Number 3. Orangutan. Orangutans are among the most unique of all primates, distinct even from other great apes. They inhabit the tropical rainforests of Borneo and Sumatra and spend nearly their entire lives in the forest canopy. With extraordinarily long arms, often exceeding their body height, they move slowly but with remarkable precision through the treetops, perfectly adapted to life above ground. One of their most fascinating traits is their largely solitary lifestyle. Unlike chimpanzees or baboons, adult orangutans usually occupy individual territories. They are among the most intelligent animals on Earth, capable of using tools, remembering seasonal fruiting trees, and learning through observation. Females raise their young for exceptionally long periods, up to 7 or 8 years, creating one of the strongest mother-offspring bonds among primates. Orangutans are often underestimated due to their calm demeanor, but when violence erupts, their attacks are direct and powerful. An adult orangutan has immense arm strength, capable of restraining and throwing an opponent, and can use branches as weapons. They target the head, neck, and shoulders, delivering deep bites with strong jaws. When defending territory or offspring, orangutans may continue attacking until the threat is completely neutralized. Number 2. Chimpanzee. Chimpanzees are among the most remarkable primates due to their close genetic and behavioral similarity to humans. They use and manufacture tools, cooperate in hunting, remember territorial boundaries, and possess distinct cultures, with different groups displaying unique hunting methods, communication styles, and problem-solving strategies. Their social intelligence is highly advanced, allowing them to form alliances, manipulate group dynamics, and remember past conflicts for years. These same traits also make chimpanzees extremely dangerous. Unlike solitary orangutans, chimpanzees live in highly aggressive social groups, particularly among males. They have been documented carrying out organized group attacks, ambushes, and killings of rival chimpanzees to expand territory. During attacks, they target the face, hands, and genitals, aiming to permanently disable their victims. Physically, chimpanzees are far stronger than humans relative to their size. Their arms, shoulders, and jaws can cause severe injury or death within moments. Most dangerously, chimpanzees do not attack merely to drive threats away. They attack to eliminate them. The combination of intelligence, calculated violence, and raw strength makes chimpanzees one of the most dangerous primates in close contact with humans. Number 1. Gorillas. Gorillas are the largest living primates and among the most physically powerful land animals. An adult male can weigh more than 397 to 441 pounds, approximately 180 to 200 kilograms, and it possesses a dense skeletal structure along with massive muscles in the shoulders, chest, and arms. They live in African rainforests, moving mainly on the ground in small groups, led by a dominant male known as the silverback. The silverback guides the group in foraging and serves as its ultimate protector. What makes gorillas distinctive is their controlled calmness. Most of the time, they feed on plants, move slowly, and avoid unnecessary conflict. But this does not mean they are harmless. When threatened, a gorilla issues clear warnings, standing upright, beating its chest, roaring, and charging forward. This is the final signal. If these warnings are ignored, a gorilla will attack with overwhelming force, striking, throwing, biting, and pinning its opponent. A single blow can break bones or cause life-threatening injuries. When infants are threatened, a silverback may attack without hesitation. Gorillas are a powerful reminder that in the world of primates, apparent calm often conceals extraordinary strength. In the end, among primates, intelligence and strength often walk hand in hand with violence when survival boundaries are crossed. Respecting their space is not just wise, it is essential.